फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Well, hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. You're watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel, and we are here to discuss the 41st match of IPL 2024, which was played between Royal Challengers Bengaluru versus the Sunrisers Hyderabad. हैदराबाद के घर में खेला गया ये मैच और हमें याद होगा जो पहला गेम हुआ था आरसीबी और एसआरएच के बीच में, उसमें रिकॉर्ड्स वर ब्रोकन बिकॉज एसआरएच स्कोर्ड a mighty 287 against RCB and RCB managed to score 260 in return. Unfortunately, वो मैच नहीं जीत पाए for RCB fans. बट आज वो कहते हैं ना जो रिवेंज वीक चल रहा है, आरसीबी डिड टेक द रिवेंज फॉर दैट game. You can call it an upset in a way because the way RCB has been playing this season, 8 matches, only 1 win, and you would think that in front of mighty SRH, the way they are playing in this season, मुश्किल होता RCB का थोड़ा जीतना. The kind of forms both the teams are in, but the show that RCB put on today at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium in Hyderabad, it helped them get their second win of the season. Ninth match was his second win. They are more or less out of the tournament, but this would be something really great for the fans, something to be really happy about because ठीक है ट्रॉफी तो नहीं आ रही बट एटलीस्ट यू वांट विंस, यू वांट योर टीम to be competitive, to compete in every season, to compete in every match. And after a string of 6 losses, they have finally found a victory in IPL 2024. I'll take you through the whole game step by step. First of all, RCB came out to bat first, and as you can see the scorecard on your screen, openers Virat Kohli scored a 50, 51 of 43, Faf du Plessis 25 of 12. Now ये जो विराट कोहली की innings है, again as usual, like every inning it has been talked about a lot on social media that 51 of 43 balls is not a T20 innings as an opener. This is something that an opener should not do. This is not how an opener should play, especially someone with the skills of Virat Kohli. And काफी कुछ कहा जा रहा है, काफी slow strike rate था, one of the worst batting performances by Kohli in his history of IPL, and he could have accelerated. वो बहुत slow हो गए, पहले कुछ रन उनके काफी तेज आए, लेकिन बाद के जो लास्ट के 20-25 रन है उसमें उन्होंने काफी बॉल्स ले ली, स्पेशली रन से ज्यादा बॉल्स ले ली वो रन बनाने के लिए. एंड दैट इज द क्रिटिसिज्म दैट ही इज फेसिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया. सो व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक अबाउट हिज इनिंग्स, अबाउट हिज परफॉर्मेंस? डू राइट टू अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन डाउन बिलो. क्या आपको लगता है कि जो उनकी इनिंग्स थी वो जस्टिफाइड थी, उन्होंने बेस दिया एंड देन ही ट्राई टू एक्सेलरेट, वो नहीं हो पाया और जयदेव उनडकट की बॉल एक शॉट स्लोअर बाउंसर पे वो आउट हो गए, बाउंड्री पे कैच धमाके. But do you think this was a good inning, or do you also agree with some of the fans out there who think that this was really a very bad inning from Virat Kohli and it could have gotten better with the number of balls that he was playing? उनके बाद आए विल जैक्स, वो भी आज नहीं चले, तीसरे नंबर पे आए 6 रन 9 बॉल्स पे. रजत पाटीदार, what a show he put on, 50 runs of just 20 balls, and the way he was smashing the balls by Rajat Patidar in that case. लोमरो राय वो भी नहीं चले, लेकिन बीच में जो कैमरन ग्रीन है ना, वो इस सीजन ही हैज बीन रियली बिट आउट ऑफ फॉर्म, बट इन दिस मैच ही रियली शोड हिज क्लास. ही स्कोर्ड 37 of 20 balls. He smashed the crucial boundaries because even Dinesh Karthik couldn't time the ball that well. Swapnil Singh was brought in as an impact player. He scored 12 of 6 balls, but with the help of Rajat Patidar and Green's quick contribution at the end, RCB could manage to score 206 for 7. Now for a batting lineup of SRH caliber, you would think that 206 is not enough, क्योंकि जो टीम 250 आराम से मार रही है, जो टीम 287 इसी बॉलिंग लाइनअप के अगेंस्ट कुछ दिन पहले मार के हटी है, उनके लिए 206. बेशक वो चिन्ना स्वामी का स्टेडियम ये नहीं था, दिस वाज द हैदराबाद होम ग्राउंड, हैदराबाद का होम ग्राउंड. यू वुड थिंक स्टिल 206 is a bit less, but it was enough at the end for the visiting team. Now I'll put on the SRH scorecard on the screen for you guys. अभिषेक शर्मा, ट्रेविस हेड, दो ऐसे प्लेयर जो SRH को एक्सप्लोसिव ओपनिंग देते आए हैं पावर प्ले में 6 ओवर में 115-120 रन मारने वाले. आज ट्रेविस हेड unfortunately nahi chale for SRH fans. Abhishek Sharma tried his best. He really smashed some boundary, but he also went back on 31 runs. So the start that SRH usually gets, they didn't get that start. वो 6 ओवर में 80-90-100 रन वाली स्टार्ट उनको नहीं मिली. एडन मार्करम also couldn't do much today, 7 runs. Nitish Reddy 13 of 13. Klassen, again a very very important player, a big gun in the SRH batting lineup, could only score 7. अब हुआ क्या जब उनके 3 मेन प्लेयर, जो 4 मेन प्लेयर रादर, जो तेज मारते हैं, जिसके लिए SRH जानी जाती है इस सीजन, अभिषेक शर्मा, ट्रेविस हेड, एडन मार्करम एंड क्लासन, all these players were not able to play through, not able to do what they have been doing quite frequently in this season. So SRH was in a spot of bother. शहबाज अहमद आए, उन्होंने 40 मारे 37 बॉल्स पे. नीचे पैट कमिंस ने आके एक बहुत क्विक इनिंग्स खेली, 31 रन और 15 बॉल्स. ऐसा लग रहा था वो एक टाइम पे ठान के आए हैं कि क्योंकि आज ऊपर वालों ने कुछ नहीं किया, मी एज ए स्कीपर आई विल टेक द मैच अवे. ही वाज लुकिंग रियली गुड बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही कुड ओनली score 31 runs, or by then it was too late for SRH, and in the end Royal Challengers Bangalore won the match by 35 runs, and it's an important win for the team, because as Faf du Plessis, the skipper of Royal Challengers Bangalore, said after the match that it's the performances, it's the wins that counts, that gives you confidence. उन्होंने कहा पिछले 2 मैच में Hyderabad scored 280 odd, we also scored 262, we came close in the last game against KKR. 1 रन से हम हारे, तो we were getting there, we weren't winning matches, which is exactly something which gives you confidence. So this win will give us confidence. He said that we'll sleep easy tonight, क्योंकि आप इतने मैच खेल रहे हैं, लगातार हार रहे हैं, एक ऐसी जीत आना इतनी बड़ी टीम के खिलाफ, this is something that really boosts your confidence. As I have been saying, that it's highly unlikely for RCB to qualify from here, from the position that they are in. But what do you think about RCB's chances this year? Do you think there could be a miracle? Although I am already seeing various posts on social media where fans have brought out their calculators, their pen and paper, and they're doing the permutation and combinations कि क्या RCB किसी तरीके से, खुद तो सारे मैच जीत रहे हैं, दूसरे भी रिजल्ट्स को अपनी फेवर में, अगर उनके फेवर में आए तो क्या RCB क्वालिफाई कर सकती है? Well, as I said, it's highly unlikely, but what do you think? Can RCB qualify, and what do you have to say about their performance today? To know more about such matches, before the match, after the match, Cricket Next is there for you guys with all the updates from Stadiums Live. Then you have enough content on the Cricket Next YouTube channel to consume. Today only we put out an exclusive interview with the Gujarat Titans captain Shubman Gill, and we have other major exclusive interviews for you guys. सब बात पे बात होती है. Impact player rules आजकल इतनी चर्चा पे, उस पे बात होती है. So you'll get a lot of content on the Cricket Next YouTube channel. Until then, please enjoy the IPL. Please subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel. Follow us across all our social media platforms. और comment section में लिखिए आपकी favorite team कौन सी है, and also what do you think about RCB's future in this season? In the morning today at 3 p.m. itself, we did a live with Jamie Alter, Jammu Ke Jazbaat, where he talked about RCB and their chances this season and what has been going wrong with RCB. It was a in detail live where he literally put his heart out about RCB, and someone who is a Virat Kohli fan and belongs to Bangalore, had lived in Bangalore, Jamie Alter really shared some great thoughts about the team, about some genuine feedback, and some good options of what they could do going forward in the mega auctions. So do tune into that live, and until then, as I said, please enjoy the IPL and have a good night.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.